so they sent these bags, backpack with the tie-on strings. So this is what we pressing on today. Gonna give it a pre-press. All right, so I got 2 pieces. I'll lay there. This red, I'm gonna lay this down first because the main piece is a cold peel. Matter of fact, let me get it. Just lay it down for so I can see where my stuff go. Hopefully it don't activate in this time that I take to set this up. All right, so I'm gonna just hit that for a few seconds to tack it. One thing I love about Siser is the tack. It don't take much. Alright, so the next piece will go about right there. Let me get let's grab a cover sheet. And with this, I'm gonna just do the same. This is orange Siser. Do the same, tack it. Boom. Boom. And now for the main piece, which is a blue Siser metal. Boom. So this time I'm gonna go to full press. And this Siser foil, or metal, excuse me, is a cold peel. I didn't want to wait. Decided to just get something cool off. It was taking too long. And I'm still getting used to my prosthetic and moving, so my body hurts. Especially when I go all day in my leg. But it is what it is. I go till I can't. So I'm gonna actually take it off. It might come off, it's cool, but I don't know. Let's see. Hell no. I need to turn my pressure on. There we go. So see, I'm gonna leave this blooper up in here, because this is how I be in real life, you know. Cool it. Man, if you want to buy any of this vinyl, this metal, the Siser orange, the Siser red, the link will be in the description. Please use my affiliate links to order anything you need from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Please. And shout out Heat Transfer Warehouse for the chance to be in that contest. Appreciate it. I used to, when I first started, my heat presses on the counter in my kitchen. Right, literally, my heat press is here and the refrigerator's right here. So like on this cold pill stuff, instead of waiting, I just go in there and give me a pan of mixed vegetables or something, rub it on there, and cool it off hella fast. Sure wish I had one there. I think that should work. There we go. Yeah, I didn't have enough pressure that first time. Forgot the weed a piece. But, I don't know why that came out. That shouldn't have came out. Why did that come out? All right, so there it is. It's a bag, reusable bag. I will actually link these bags. You can also get these at Heat Transfer Warehouse. It's tie, drawstring ties on there. And I can just tie it up, whatever. I can hang it up or something to hold, whatever. And they can get 5 of them for like $20. So it's a good deal, man. Something you can upsell a customer, you know. Then they got the ties where you can anchor it at the bottom, the grommets. But one more time before I go. Space Jam, man. Shout out Heat Transfer Warehouse for the shot. Man, if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. Man, I'm back at it. Y'all gonna be seeing videos from me on a regular. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at 12 Gone Apparel. Till next time, I'll see you again.